Hello, I'm Cody from Powerwash.com. Today I wanted to go over the most common troubleshooting steps when using an electric diaphragm pump. This is the style of the original Fat Boy tube style pump. Ours is called the Deluxe D7150. This is a 7 gallon per minute pump with 100 PSI. What we've found a common issue is maybe the pump won't turn on, or it doesn't stay on. One of the items that we found is that with a power source issue causing a failure to the relays can fail to where they will not power on. The relay acts as if it's a fuse to where it cuts the power. The relay is actually located in the head of the pump. What we've done is we've removed the heat shrink so you can actually see the relay. This is a 40/60 amp 5-pin single pole double throw relay that just basically plugs in to the pump. These will click. Sometimes we've seen them to where they can burn on the side, to where the point to where it no longer connects to the pump. So this stops the power to allow the head to operate. What we found is these are a common item to get a hold of. We usually can get them to you within 3 business days. This is called a relay, 12-volt relay. So in addition to the relay, another issue that we have found is the relay's connected. We're getting 12 volts of power, but the relay that you've just replaced has tripped again. It's either burnt out or just no longer operates. So what we found in our findings is the proper power source to have with this pump is a 12 volt deep cycle battery, a group 24, with at least 600 cranking amps, and a good deep cycle battery charger to get the best performance out of that deep cycle battery for up to 24 months. Average run time's about 2 hours on up to 4 hours, and that's pulling trigger time frame. What we found is that in some cases these batteries just, when they go low, it's not enough amperage to allow this relay to operate, so this will burn the relay. And some power issues that we've run into with this type of pump is the toggle switch. A toggle switch is basically a break in the line of the red positive wire. It's basically connected to a terminal that will connect to one side, another terminal will connect to the other side, and then that runs to the positive side of the battery. Sometimes with vibration, driving around, these loosen up and they no longer connect to the battery itself to where there's no power. Just tightening these up or checking your terminals in every connection. There would be a terminal here and then also on the toggle switch and then onto the battery as well. Another common issue that we found with these pumps is maybe it's not drawing correctly. It seems like it's hesitating. After you've checked the power issues, if you found no power issue, you want to make sure that you check the tank. Start from the tank and work your way up to the nozzle. These are best performed with the suction tube going from the top of the tank. You want to draw from a bulkhead or the tank lid itself and the top of the tank to get the best performance out of this pump. If you use the bottom of the tank, that causes positive pressure to where the check valves will float. In addition to that, the best way to plumb your pump is going to be with a larger orifice for the suction side than your discharge side. We recommend for this pump 3/4 inch suction line, no more than 10 feet of clear vinyl tubing to the top of the tank, and then for the discharge, 1/2 inch up to 5/8. Up to the gun, the nozzles that we recommend for the D7150 would be size 50 up to size 60 nozzles. That would be a 0 degree 60, or also the long range assassin nozzle, 0060. You can also use a 0050. For the 25 degree 60, for the 40 degree 40/40, and then for the 65/40 spray packets. These are the most common troubleshooting steps and diagnosing your pump. If you have any other questions, give us a call at 1-800-433-2113, or you can email us at info@Powerwash.com. Have a great day.